Why are you staring at me?
I'm waiting for you to do something smart.
One more comment and you're in trouble.
One more comment and you're trending.
Hey, what?
Watch and learn, sweetheart.
You're testing my patience.
Good. It's clearly outdated.
Listen to me, I'm older.
Yeah, but not wiser.
What? What are you staring at?
Your flaws. There are many.
Oh, great.
Tap speak twice proof.
You gotta be kidding me.
You've been squawking nonstop for 20 minutes. Can you be quiet for once?
Can you be right for once?
You think you're tough, huh?
Tough enough to deal with you daily.
Did you just... Ha! Okay.
Stop trying to get attention.
Tell that to your haircut.
We need teamwork here, you got that?
Yeah. Find a better team.
So, how did I do today?
You want the truth or something you can handle?
The truth, I guess?
Your serious face is comedy gold.
Why are you laughing?
This is my stern look. I'm serious.
Makes it funnier!
Can you take anything seriously?
Yeah, your mistakes. They're hilarious.
Be honest. Did you cause this mess?
Absolutely not. I caused a better one.
Oh, for crying out loud. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm studying what not to become.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm. Where were you last night?
Far away from your personality.
Show some respect!
You first. Lead by example.
I'm a trained officer.
And I'm a natural disappointment machine.
Calm down, okay?
I'm calm. You're sweating.
Great.